Hey guys, what's up? Bringing you a very quick and easy stir-fry dish. Stir-fry pork belly slices with leek. The ingredients are super simple. Some leeks, some pork belly, and some garlic. Leeks, trim off the ends. So go straight down the middle. You can remove the center as some of it can be quite hard. At an angle, straight down with the knife. Sometimes the outer layers can be quite tough, so you might want to discard them. Again, I would recommend giving them a quick wash. And you can break up any pieces that are stuck together. Pork belly, I'll just be using one for today. Slice into thin pieces, as thin as you can. If you don't like the skin, you can also remove it, like so, because sometimes they can be quite hard. Into a bowl, we're just going to quickly marinate the pork. So, some white pepper, about half a tablespoon of sesame oil. If you like, you can add a bit of Shaoxing cooking wine, literally half a teaspoon. You don't want too much, otherwise the flavor will be too pungent. Give it a quick mix. You can just give this about 15-20 minutes to marinate. Garlic, about 2 cloves, just roughly chopped. With our ingredients ready, let's get cooking. Wok on, heat up your wok, get it nice and hot. Oil, heat up your oil. Garlic, fry your garlic for about half a minute until it's nice and fragrant. Right, pork belly in. Just a bit more oil. Fry your pork belly. Now, you can add a tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, to your wok. This will really add fragrance to the dish. Leeks in. Just let that set for about half a minute. Add a bit of salt, a bit of white pepper again. Add a bit of chicken powder if you like. What you might need to do is add a bit of water, just a very small amount, so that the leeks can cook a bit better. Let this cook for about 2 minutes on high heat. Bring this back to a boil. And if you like, you can add a bit of potato starch slurry or cornstarch slurry to your dish. This will bring the dish together and make it nice and saucy. In. Give it a mix. Toss. And off the heat. Now we serve. Stir fry pork belly with leek. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Delicious. Pork belly's nice and tender. The leek, nice and soft and flavorful. Great dish for you to try at home. Great with some rice. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you've learned something new. I'll catch you next time. Bye!